high-achieving women are frequently advised to find a mentor, hire a coach, attend a training program, build sponsorship, or join a professional community. Those options can all be valuable, but they do not solve the same problem. The purpose of this short training is to help viewers identify which kind of support their current career challenge actually requires. By the end, you will be able to distinguish 5 forms of professional support and recognize which one is most closely matched to your present need. The first mistake is choosing an available opportunity before diagnosing the support problem. Professional development options are often treated as interchangeable. Someone may say you need a mentor when the actual need is advocacy. Another person may recommend training when the woman already understands the concept but needs individualized application. A networking group may be offered when the real need is a sponsor with influence. Consider 5 possible needs. First, knowledge. I do not yet understand what to do. Application. I understand the idea, but I need help applying it. Experience. I need perspective from someone who has navigated a similar path. Advocacy. I need someone with influence to speak for my readiness. Consistency. I need an ongoing environment in which to learn, practice, and receive support. The first question is not what program or person is available. It is what job do I need this support to perform? Training and coaching are the 2 forms most frequently confused. Training is most useful when the primary gap is knowledge or skill. You need a framework, an explanation, a method, or structured practice. Examples might include learning a new financial process, or understanding negotiation principles, or developing a presentation skill. Coaching is most useful when the challenge is individualized application. You may already understand the principle, but you need help examining assumptions, evaluating options, making a decision, or implementing the change in your particular environment. Coaching is not simply more advanced training. Its value comes from individualized thinking process. Think about the distinction. Training asks, what should someone understand or learn? Coaching asks, what will you do with that understanding in your circumstances? Training can give you the map. Coaching helps you determine how you will travel through your particular terrain. Mentoring adds a different source of value: experience. Mentoring provides experience-based guidance. A mentor can help you understand professional norms, recognize possibilities, anticipate common mistakes, and learn from a path someone else has already traveled. The defining question is this: what can I learn from someone who has navigated something similar? A mentor does not have to prescribe an identical path. The value may come from context, perspective, and pattern recognition. Let's look at this limitation then. A mentor may care deeply about your development and still lack the influence, access, or willingness to advocate for a specific opportunity. Mentoring and sponsorship may coexist in one relationship, but they are not the same function. Sponsorship is distinguished by active advocacy. Sponsorship involves active advocacy from someone with enough influence to affect access, credibility, or opportunity. A sponsor may recommend someone for a visible assignment, introduce her to influential people, associate her name with meaningful results, challenge limiting assumptions about her readiness, use political capital on her behalf. Let's look at mentoring. A mentor may advise you about the opportunity, whereas a sponsor may advocate for you to receive it. Sponsorship is relational and discretionary. It can be cultivated through trust, credibility, contribution, and strategic relationships, but it cannot be purchased or promised as a program outcome. Professional community performs another job. It creates an ongoing environment in which development can continue. A professional community provides an ongoing environment for learning, perspective, application, conversation, and support. The defining question is this: do I need a consistent place to think strategically, apply what I am learning, and engage with people who understand the environment I am navigating? Let's look at the 5 elements of strategic practice. Focused learning introduces a shared framework. Perspective helps members see beyond their own immediate interpretation. Implementation moves insight into actual behavior. Conversation allows questions, reflection, and mutual learning. And consistency keeps development active beyond a single event. Community does not replace individualized coaching or formal mentoring, therapy, or direct sponsorship. Its value is the ongoing developmental environment. The simplest way to choose support is to listen carefully to the sentence you are actually saying. Let's look at the support match decision filter next. Complete the sentence that most closely describes your current need. I need to learn something I do not yet understand. That points primarily toward training. I need to decide how to respond in my specific situation. That points toward coaching. I need to understand how someone experienced navigated this path. That points toward mentoring. I need someone influential to advocate for my readiness or opportunity. That points toward sponsorship. I need an ongoing place to learn, practice, discuss, and receive support. That points toward professional community. More than one answer may be true. A woman may need training and community, or mentoring and sponsorship. The purpose is not to force every situation into one category. It is to prevent a support mismatch. Do not ask one source of support to perform a job it was not designed to do. The power positioning circle is designed to perform a very specific combination of these functions. The power positioning circle is designed for women who need a consistent professional development rhythm that combines focused learning, practical tools, live implementation, ongoing conversation, and community support. When it comes to the power positioning circle, you can expect to experience certain things on a regular monthly basis. For example, focused pre-recorded training, an action guide and practical tools, a live implementation and Q&A session, community conversation and support, and replay access. The circle is not presented as a one-on-one coaching or a formal mentoring relationship or a promise of sponsorship. It is a premium professional community designed to support ongoing learning and implementation. Which form of professional support is currently missing from your career or leadership environment? If focused learning, practical implementation, and professional community are what you need next, comment, circle, or send me a private message. The Power Positioning Circle opens on August 1st. Early bird founders can join for only $97 per month. Choose support based on the job you needed to perform.